Love simple way of cooking? Then this channel is for you. And welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. And in today's episode, we'll be recreating the world's most yummiest spread. None other than Nutella. The world go crazy about this spread, but not everyone has an access for this yummy spread. And now, with only 2 ingredients, you will enjoy this homemade Nutella. First, toast the hazelnuts. This will help us to remove the skin. Then we'll set it aside. Now we'll cut the chocolate bar into pieces. By this process, chocolate melts easily. And with the help of a double broiler, we melt the chocolates. Yes, only 2 ingredients for our homemade Nutella. And also with the right gadget. We could use food processor or pasteurizer or any nut grinder you have. And I promise you that with this homemade Nutella recipe, this one tastes much more better than what you buy from the store. And remember that you just need 2 ingredients. And what is nice to this recipe is that you can regulate the sweetness. Not just like the original one, which is overwhelming with sweetness. What we need to do is that we have to grind the nuts into a creamy paste consistency. And it took me about 5 minutes to attain that creamy consistency. Now I think our hazelnut paste is ready. Then we will combine our melted chocolates with the hazelnut paste. And now with the help of our electric blender, we'll blend the 2 ingredients well. I think it took 3 minutes to blend them well. Now let's see the consistency. Let's check it. And this is the consistency we're looking for. Oh, so yummy. Look at that. And for sure, with this recipe, you'll never go missing again Nutella. Never again. Right now, our spread is still a little bit warm, and as it cools down, we'll have a much more heavy consistency. So guys, if you enjoyed our episode for today, please don't forget to subscribe, huh? Because I've got a lot more simple, yummy recipes in store for you. So until next time, thanks for watching. Do take care, stay well, God bless, bye!